Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this official Toyota OEM knob subassembly. So this is for my first gen Tacoma. I've been making a lot of improvements to my truck and replacing the old AC knobs is one of them. So, wow, brand new. Yep, so this was just pop out the old one, pop in this new one, and adjust the AC temperature or heater. Cool. Yeah, that's it for this unboxing video. Let me know what you think of this part in the comment section below and what other Toyota parts I should modify or replace on my first gen Tacoma. All right, everyone. Good luck improving your, I got two of them actually, so two of these in my truck. But yeah, if you're watching this and you're fixing up your truck, let me know what else I should do. All right, everyone, take care. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.